these are the materials I used for this project. You can find all the details in the description box below, so be sure to check it out. So first, make a slip knot. Now insert the hook through the center of the hair tie and make one single crochet around until fully cover the hair tie. For this project, I make 70 single crochet total around. I'm going to put a stitch marker in the first single crochet to mark a point. After done, remove the stitch marker and connect the round with a slip stitch. In round 2, we are going to chain 2, then make 2 double crochet in each of the next 70 stitches around. In the last round, remove the stitch marker, then slip stitch. In round 3, chain 2, then make 1 double crochet in each of the next 140 stitches around. Once you complete the round, remove the stitch marker, then slip stitch. Cut and secure the yarn end. In round 4, make a slip knot. Now make 1 single crochet in each stitch around. In the last round, remove the stitch marker and slip stitch. Now turn the work over. Insert the hook from behind. Grab the loop, then slip stitch. Now cut and secure the yarn end. Now we have completed the first crochet project, and here is what it looks like. First, we will begin with a slip knot. Then chain 80. Now we are going to connect the ends to form a circle by slip stitching into the very first chain. Next, chain 2. The chain 2 does not count as the first double crochet. After the chain 2, make 1 double crochet into each of the next 80 chains all the way around. Place a stitch marker in the first double crochet to keep track of the beginning of each round. In the last round, remove the stitch marker and slip stitch to close the round. In round 2, chain 2. Then make 1 double crochet in each of the next 80 stitches around. After done, remove the stitch marker and slip stitch to join. Now we are just going to repeat what we did in round 2 for the next round. That's round 3, 4, 5 and 6. After completing round 6, cut the yarn but make sure to leave a long tail for sewing. Now take the hair tie and place it in the center of the crochet tube. Fold the tube in half. Bring the starting edge and the ending edge together. Use your yarn needle and the long yarn tail to sew the edges together. You can use any sewing method you like, just make sure it's neat and secure. After done with the sewing, secure the yarn end. Now we are finally done with the second scrunchie, and this is what it looks like. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again in my next video. Bye!